Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Riot games along with Valorant. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to search and type for Riot client. You'll be getting this. Just click on open file location and again right click and select open file location. Now just go to the main parent folder of Riot client. Alright, you have to go to this folder, right click and just delete this. And if you get this error, you should just go here, right click and exit. Now if you click try again, it has been completely deleted. So now if you click Riot client, select open file location, if you again right click open file location, you won't be getting that. And now go to programs, right click and just delete this. And now search for control panel, programs and features. If you scroll down, here you will be having Valorant. Right click and uninstall, and yes, that's it, it's gone because we have already deleted all the files. And next is going to be Riot Vanguard. So you can just search here for Riot and filter this out, right click and uninstall, click on yes and click on yes, just like this, and that's it, it's gone. And now even if you try to open Valorant, nothing happens. This is not there. You can just right click and delete it, that's it. And Riot client, nothing also happens. We can just delete this also. And the final thing, just search for run and you need to just type this percentage local app data percentage, just type this, click on OK, and here we will be having Riot games. We'll be having these files over here. So again right click and just delete it. And once you're done clearing Riot client, if you scroll down you will be having this Valorant thing also. So you can just right click and delete, that's it, it has also gone. And now if you search Riot, literally it's going to the web search. I'm not getting any applications in my folders. And if I search for Valorant, same, I'm just getting the web search, nothing in my files. And don't forget to clean your recycle bin. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.